Internal PC communication failing because of the Service Private API DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. As we look at the manual steps for Service Private API, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Service Private API, a specialized Service Private API Set Shim. It redirects unmanaged calls for internal service management and state tracking to the kernel, essential for system-level service orchestration manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Service Private API DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Service Private API. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Be aware that manual interventions for Service Private API DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Service Private API. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Service Private API dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.